Hello, so I'm going to be sharing with you my March Young Living order, and I'm very excited to share this one with you because it's a big one. I've been a member of Young Living for now almost 3 years, and for the majority of that time I have been on what used to be called Essential Rewards. Now it's called Subscribe to Save, but it's the same exact thing. So basically what happens is that you are, you're getting monthly orders on a regular basis. So you're on autopilot with your orders, but you can change, you can adjust what you're getting, the number of things that you're getting, you can adjust the amount of items as well as the items themselves of what you will be getting. So it's really tailored to what you need on a monthly basis. And it's great because once you are on this program, which is called Subscribe to Save, you unlock savings. So the first tier of savings is that you actually get a percentage lower on your order than if you were just to get one random product one random time and that's it. So essentially, if you are saying, yes, I want to order something each month, Young Living says, okay, great, you're going to be a repeat customer and we're going to reward you with some savings. Now, it doesn't stop there. On top of that, when you buy your Young Living order, what happens is that you purchase an amount, and that amount is then a percentage of that is converted into points, and those points are then redeemable as cash for future purchases. So I really like that because not only are you earning are you getting a lower cost for the items that you're purchasing by subscribing, but you are also getting money back for future orders that you may need as well. So I definitely look at it from the point of view that these are items I'm going to be purchasing anyway, so I might as well get them in a more efficient and cost-effective way. And also the products that Young Living sells are very clean, natural, nothing that would disrupt your hormones or fragrances that may potentially cause some type of breathing issue, and also, you know, just staying as natural and as clean as possible is definitely a priority of mine, especially after I became a mother almost 5 years ago. And so that's definitely something that's really important. And yeah, I've been actually ordering from Young Living for about 3 years on this monthly program, and I've never looked back. It's been great. And so I want to start with my order for this month because I could go on and on about it and say absolutely nothing about what I ordered. So let's look into the products that we ordered. The first one is this Kidscents. Kidscents is their kids line, and it's the MightyPro Prebiotic and Probiotic supplements. So my kids actually are in school. I have a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old. So they go every day, interact with other kids, and get all sorts of cooties out there, right? I like that. You know, that's fine with me. It builds their immune system and all of that stuff. But I try to make sure that they are as well equipped as possible to fight off whatever they can get out there. And so a couple of months ago, my daughter did have to be on antibiotics. And after, you know, getting off of the antibiotics, I made it my very top priority to just rebuild her probiotic living conditions inside her body. And so as a result of that, I've also been giving it to my son as well. And up to right now, they've been doing great with the supplement that I've bought that is over the counter in the drugstore. But I'm excited to try this one in particular because it has a prebiotic as well. So it's not only a probiotic, but it also incorporates a prebiotic, and it's a powder formula. I've heard that it's sweet and kids generally like that. So I'm excited to give this a try. The next thing that I got is their bath gel. So much like, you know, the general theme of this bath gel is very clean, natural, and mild in nature. I don't want to strip my kids of all of their natural oils by over lathering them in a way that they don't really particularly need. So what I like about this is that it's not scented. It's the scent in here is by Pure Essential Oils. So not only does it smell nice, but it also has some added benefits associated with it, which is really good. And I did run out of this. I've been showering my kids with this since they were born, pretty much, or after they turn 1, because before that I used to use the Seedlings line from Young Living, and that worked out great for both of them. But I ran out of this one, and I ended up purchasing another brand that also had its promises of clean and you know, no artificial fragrances and all of that good stuff. But my kids my daughter actually is reacting to something, and I believe it may be that, and I'm excited to just get back on this, just because I don't want to deal with that anymore. I want to make sure that it's completely cleared from her skin and she doesn't have to have any trouble whatsoever. The other thing that I got is Sulfurzyme. So this is my second bottle of Sulfurzyme. This is a powder formula, and the way I drink this is that I just put a half a teaspoon on a 2 ounce of Ningxia every single day. It worked really well the first time that I used it, and I really didn't feel like I needed it. I needed to continue with it because I felt like it had worked well, and I didn't want to continue purchasing the product if I didn't feel like I was lacking in any way. However, a few months later, my daughter came home with hand, foot, and mouth. And after she had completely recovered, I started to show some symptoms. And since then, I've noticed that my nails have definitely suffered. So this supplement is definitely, you know, it's their their skin, hair, and nails, hair, skin, and nails supplement that Young Living carries. So this is going to benefit my nails. It's also going to benefit my hair and my skin, which I also need as well. So I'm excited to continue with this supplement. The next thing that I got is, actually, I did want to say, oh, I didn't even mention this benefit at the very beginning, but one of the benefits of being on the Subscribe to Save program is that you also get free gifts. What happens is that not only do you get the percentage lower of the cost of the item when you're on Subscribe to Save, you also get that cash back, and you also get gifts with your purchase. So all around, 3 added benefits from being on that reoccurring order cycle, which I know automatically you're like, oh, but I don't want to commit to a monthly order. Well, we order, I don't know about you, but I'm definitely going to the supermarket, for example, on a reoccurring basis. And they don't ask me to get on a subscription, but they're seeing me on a reoccurring basis no matter what, because we go through the food that we eat, and then we need to buy some more. And it works the same way with this. I go through the products, and then next month I need some more. And if I don't go through the products that I ordered this month, I need another set of products that I can order. And then the next month after that, I run through the ones that I ordered 3 months ago, so I order those again. And so I always have something that I need to order, and I put those on my monthly order. So it just makes sense, because as a result of having that monthly order active, I'm getting all of the added benefits as well, or the savings as well. So the next thing that I got, this is another purchase, Thieves dish soap. This is the only dish soap that I've used for probably, I don't know, at least 2 years now, and I like it a lot. So I just want to share something with you. I absolutely hate when my sponge gets completely covered with the food that we eat, like the things that I cook. So what I do is that I generally rinse everything really well, and before I even put the sponge on any of my plates or you know, on any of my pots and pans, the ones that I've used to cook and are the dirtiest, I typically squirt just a tiny bit of that and rub it all together with my fingers, and then I rinse it. And after that, I then go in with the sponge and a little bit of the dish soap, and it works really, really well. I feel like I don't use that much of it as a result of going through those seemingly extra steps, but like those things make the job so much lighter, because at the end, you're not going to have a sponge that's just collecting all of that bacteria by having food stuck in it all this, you know, for the length of time of the life of the sponge, which will definitely be very, very decreased if you do use it to, you know, scrape off all of the food. So I got 2 of these. I got 2 of, and that will last me for quite a little bit. The next thing, and yes, one of the last things that I ordered is Ningxia. So with Ningxia, is the actual package that comes with Essential Rewards or Subscribe to Save. And it's 4 of these bottles. This is a drink. It's a puree, if you will. You could see how the concentration is down here at the bottom. It's made out of goji berries, or I should say wolfberries, which is a type of goji berry. And it is super high in antioxidants. I use it to supplement for myself as well as my children. I give them a little bit every single day, and myself, and it works out really well. Just, you know, extra added support, immunity type of thing, and health. I also got 30 of these. So the package comes with 4 of these and 30 of these, and it's the most cost-effective way as far as cost per ounce to get Ningxia. So definitely, if you are on Subscribe to Save, consider ordering your Ningxia through Subscribe to Save, because not only will you get the less, like the lower cost per ounce in the actual product, but it will also boost you up on the tiers that you can get the rewards every single month, as well as giving you the cash back that I was talking to you about earlier as well. And the last 2 things that I got are 2 oils. The first one is Progessence Plus. This is the first time that I've ordered this, and I'm looking forward to seeing the results because I've heard great things. I've recently been experiencing some inconsistencies in my cycle, some irregularities. So I definitely think that this will help based on all of the testimonials that I have heard and that have been shared with me. So I am putting 2 drops of this on my forearms every single night. I just go like this, rub them together before I go to sleep. And I'm looking forward to seeing what the results are there. I also bought Thieves. So this is a like staple, a landmark, or a, you know, a very revered product that Young Living has. Thieves Essential Oil I use to put into my immunity rollers. So when my kids get sick, when I need, you know, in general, also I put this in there in the diffuser from time to time. I love the smell of it, and I love the benefits of it as well. So the smell is kind of like a fall themed type of, you know, of scent. I really love that all year round, quite frankly. But then also it has a lot of great benefits as far as immunity support is concerned. So I'll put it in a diluted roller for my kids, and I will rub it all up and down the bottoms of their feet as well as mine. And we do really well with this. Now, the other thing that I use this for is to put it in my dryer balls. Now, I do have to tell you that the not so good part of that is that the heat from the dryer will naturally compromise the effectiveness of the benefits of the oil. So it's not the best if you want to get the most amount of benefits from the oil to put them on your dryer balls. But as far as scent is concerned, it's not compromised at all, and the scent will remain in your clothing, in your bed sheets, on your towels. So I love putting this in the dryer balls as well from time to time, just because I really, frankly, enjoy the scent of it a lot. And that is actually all of the things that I ordered myself. All of the other things that I'm going to show you now are gifts with the purchase. So remember I mentioned one of the benefits of being unsubscribed to save is the added benefits of getting all of these gifts, you know, once you reach the tiers of the purchase. So the first one that I have here is an oil called Clarity. And interestingly enough, I don't think I've actually tried, I've only tried one out of the 5 oils that they sent me for free this month. So Clarity. And I have my cheat sheet right here. I'm going to tell you what it does. Clarity promotes a clear mind and amplifies mental alertness and vitality. So there's Clarity. I'm looking forward to getting all of those benefits for sure. Then we have Envision. Envision right here. This is a free one as well. 5 ml of Envision. This blend renews focus and stimulates creative and intuitive abilities needed to achieve goals and dreams. I'm all about all of the goals and dreams. I have a lot of them and I need all the energy to accomplish them. And talking about energy, here is Energy. And this is a larger bottle of Energy. It's a 15 ml. And it says this blend increases vitality, circulation, and alertness. So in the day and age where we live right now, where everything has to do with, you know, making sure that you are well rested, nobody's sleeping, but everybody wants to be alert and super go, 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 right? Everybody's drinking all of the energy drinks. Well, I'm hoping that this will give me all of the energy without having the bad side of all the energy drink stuff, which by the way, I want to put in my next month's order, Zing, Ningxia's Zing. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. It's Young Living's kind of sports drink, or not sports drink, but a, yeah, an energy drink. So I'm looking forward to seeing what that feels like, what that is like, because it has all of the benefits of giving you the energy minus all of the bad stuff that's included in the traditional energy drinks, which is a lot of junk. Alrighty, so the next one that we got for free is called Motivation. So you see a theme here, right? Everything is about just, you know, going after your dreams and going to get them. Motivation stimulates feelings of action and accomplishment, providing positive energy to help overcome feelings of fear and procrastination. Yes, please. And then lastly, we got a bottle of Valor. So Valor is definitely a favorite amongst many. This is Valor right here. It's definitely a favorite of mine. It says here, this blend was formulated to balance energies and instill courage, confidence, and self-esteem. Yes, please. As well as it smells glorious. Honestly, I have on my work desk a bottle of Valor, just like this one, but it has a roller ball on it that I put just so that I could, you know, put it on myself maybe once a day, maybe more than that, because I really do enjoy the smell. And then lastly, I did get these 3 roller bottles, or yeah, rollers, that I could fill with my specific preferred formula of roller. But there's a theme here. See, there's this one for focus, then there's this one for inspire, and this one for motivation. So I really like this. I'm going to be putting these together and hopefully putting them to very, very good use. And that completes the actual order. I'm so excited to dig into every single one of these products, and I will see you in my next month's order.